Hi friends, it's me Kiki. Today we're drawing a cozy little puppy with big headphones. Grab your paper and a pencil and let's draw. First, his head. Start at the top and draw a big soft shape that curves down on both sides. Add a floppy ear on each side, then a big round cup over each ear to keep them warm. Your turn. Draw the big head, his floppy ears, and the two round cups. Take your time. I'll wait for you. Now his happy face. For his eyes, draw two little rainbows because he is smiling, then a big round nose, a line under it, and a soft wavy smile. Now let's finish his headphones. Draw a big curved band going over the top of his head from one cup all the way to the other one. Use two lines. And now, our favorite part. On the side of his headphones, hide a tiny heart. Shh! It's our little secret. Your turn. Draw the headphones and your tiny heart. Take your time. I'll wait for you. Now his body. From the side of his head, draw a big round curve going down, like a soft hill. Then add a long curly tail behind him. Let's give him a warm drink. Draw a tall cup with a curved top. Then wrap one soft paw around it and rest his other paw down below with three tiny toes. Look what we have so far, a happy puppy, big headphones, and a warm cup. If you're having fun drawing with us, ask a grown-up to press subscribe. Now a little book on his lap. Draw 2 pages opening up like a butterfly, with a line down the middle, then a soft cover around them. He needs somewhere comfy to sit. Draw a big wide cushion under him with a bumpy edge all around. Then fill it with round spots like polka dots. Your turn. Draw the book and the cushion. Take your time. I'll wait for you. Let's add his little radio. Draw a box with a big circle for the speaker, 3 tiny buttons, and 2 small windows. Then a line for the floor. Last, the cozy room. Draw a picture on the wall with a smiling sun inside. Then add music notes floating in the air because his song is playing. Your turn. Add the radio and the music notes. Take your time. I'll wait for you. Coloring time. Let's make our puppy a warm golden brown. Color his head, his body, his paws, and his long curly tail. Stay inside the lines. Now his headphones. Pick a soft blue and color both cups and the band on top. Then color his cup and the tiny heart a happy pink. Next, the comfy things. Color his little book a soft purple and his big cushion a fresh green. So cozy. Last, the wooden radio and the picture frame. Color them a warm brown, then a blue sky and a bright yellow sun. Beautiful! Wow, look at that. Your cozy puppy looks amazing. You did such a good job today. If you had fun drawing with me, ask a grown-up to find our coloring books at Kiki Coloring Studio. The link is right below the video, or send